Was that little oil leak?
I guess.
Was it literally on fire?
Yeah, no, yeah.
It was literally on fire.
I'm not having the rest of my time in the car.
No.
Oh,
Did that just happen?
I guess, dude. I don't know. It might have been on fire for a while. I don't fucking know.
Most important question is you
I
guys
saw
get
like an
clean
orange
run.
light underneath the fucking hood. I'm like, oh god.
You don't have your chrome fire extinguisher over there on the beach wheel?
Oh my god. All right, well, I'm done.
You need to ride on?
I might drive the car to your house.
Nobody answered the important question? I got last clean run.
Yeah, no.